brother, family, friends, and view from across the world. Joe Jones. Yes, I am back on the road. Let me say that they had me helping out in the yard back in New Jersey. I was the yard jockey, and I did it for like 2 months or so. That's why you haven't been seeing me do videos, trucking videos. I did try to post, a couple of them, how to use a yard jockey, how to beat a yard dog or whatever, whatever name you want to call it. But yeah, that's what I was doing. And but again, if you want to, sometimes when you don't hear from me on YouTube, you'll find me on TikTok. I try to put, more videos there because TikTok is okay, and they approve my videos. And of course, they do monetize my videos, so that's a plus. Okay, so then so today's video, I just want you to be aware that most of these companies has a system called Smart Drive. When you have the system called Smart Drive, it's connected with GPS and their computer. So pretty much the companies, they know what you're doing, they know how fast you're going, and they also, these company has a camera. The camera, it looks like a GoPro camera. I'll show you. So that's the camera right there. So basically what it does is it records any event that, that a driver will do. Like say for an example, following distance, if you're too close, if you ran a stop sign or ran a traffic light or you speeding, it'll take pictures and videos and it'll post it on the app. There's a company has an app, the company has an app, and then once you do it, you open the app, and then once you open the app, you can be able to see all the events. And then we're supposed to be at under 20 points, but it's hard when they cut you off, especially these people. They cut you off. If they cut you off, you get points for that. If you're too close to the truck or car in front of you, you get points for that. So then what they're saying is that our goal is to be under 20 points, but it's hard to be under 20 points when you get in. When you're stuck in traffic, when you try to run this last load, when they give you the last load, the last minute load, and then you're trying to make it to the safe haven when you don't have enough time, so you're trying to rush back, and that's when you get points. And if you get too many points, then that's it. It's going to cost you your job. And a lot of companies do it, and I don't think it's right, but I just want you to be aware that, pay attention and do the research on your own to see if your company has that smart system. So then I'm going to show you a couple of videos, and I'm going to show you how many points I have today. So you please be aware, all right? Here we go. I'm going to show you now. So you go to the app, and then you click on Smart Drive. It's loading, and so far I have 17 points. I have to be under 20 points. And I have 3 videos I want to show you. That's the time and date. This is the video, and I'm going to press play. So this video, I'm on my way home. I need to get to my safe haven. I have the signal on, getting ready to cross over. And they're saying that, following distance. So I guess it's the one on the right lane. I was too close for him or something. That's what they're saying. So they gave me points for that. This next video, another day, I'm on my way home, and there's a car coming up, and I'm trying to cross over, so I'm slowing down with my signal, and of course they don't let me pass, and he just stopped all of a sudden. I got points for that too, and everybody in the middle lane wouldn't let me pass at all. So yes, I got points for that too. This other video that I'm going to show you, again, it's in a different day. I'm on my way home, and that car right there, you see that? He just cut right in front of me, right into the shopping center, and they gave me points for that. See, so in other words, you're getting points for following distance and they also give you points when they cut you off. Okay, so as you can see, just be careful how you drive, because even me, it happens to anybody. For little dumb, anything simple is going to pick it up, and it's going to give you points for that. So total, I have 17 points. That's 3 videos. You know, one, I was, of course, rushing home. I didn't want it to go in violation, going home. But they ain't trying to hear that. You know, they don't want to hear that. They just want you to be safe, that's all. You know, and that's for the records, and that's for your purpose too, you know, for emergency purposes. Say, for an example, if you was in a car accident or whatever, or you rear-ended someone, it's all in video, you know, or someone rear-ended you, is all in video. So whether you trigger the smart drive system, you know, whether you took the curve too fast, or you ran the stop sign, or you speeding, it'll pick it up fast, and it'll show you the video on what happened, you know. So then what I'm saying is that, you know, just be careful and just drive safe, keep your safe following distance, and don't speed, man, because you're still gonna make it on time. And if you can't make it on time, let your driver leader know, and they can reschedule it, or just give them an ETA on how long it's gonna take you to get there, and they can set you up a time, and or, you know, maybe a time and date, or maybe next week or so, you know. And then just be safe, okay, my peoples? So yes, God bless you all, love y'all. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Be safe. Later.